Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, it's got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Velas. Guys, Velas Network AG is headquartered in Switzerland. It's a new AI operated delegated proof of stake blockchain project and an ecosystem on which one can build AI projects, dApps, tokenization, smart contracts, etc. Velas stands for Virtual Expanding Learning Autonomous System. Let's run through their website here, guys, just so you can get a better grasp of what they're all about. Their slogan here: secure, interoperable, and extremely scalable. Their consensus for high volume transactions processing without sacrificing decentralization and security. Really cool logo here. I like it. It's a little sci-fi looking. They have a video on their website, guys. I'm going to play that for you.
Velas is a blockchain platform for secure, interoperable, and extremely scalable transactions. Velas is a virtual expanding learning autonomous system powered by swarms of single-cell artificial intuition specimens, continuously powering the blockchain consensus and electing appropriate delegated proof of stake nodes based on what's best for the network. Velas artificial intelligence elects block producers based on performance, dependability, and amount staked, while also optimizing network parameters such as block production speed, allowing the network to automatically slow down or accelerate, making it capable of processing up to 30,000 transactions per second. Artificial intelligence on the Velas platform also reduces the cost of consensus, motivating participants of the network to be reliably present and active in the network, maximizing relevant scores and rewards, while also optimizing network parameters, resulting in an enhanced network without issues, such as the 51% attack and nothing at stake problem. To explore all the features and learn how Velas uses neural networks to determine node score rating, block producers, and much more, check velas.com.
Beautiful video by the Velas team, guys. Nice job on showcasing your project. I just want to give you guys a little bit more background on it before proceeding with the rest of the website. It was founded in 2019 by Alex Alexandrox, whom is the CEO of the world's first and biggest altcoin payment processing platform from 2013, coinpayments.net. Velas addresses and fixes existing issues and challenges faced by most existing blockchains, like centralization, 51% attack, nothing at stake problem, scalability, security, high upfront expenses, etc. The Velas blockchain platform uses neural networks optimized by artificial intuition to enhance its consensus algorithm, as they mentioned in the video. The purpose of Velas is to address and fix existing issues and challenges faced by most existing blockchains. Neural networks are used to calculate the rewards for nodes operators and the time of block formation. Matrix calculation servers, neural network weights, are located on nodes, the network members, for receiving rewards. Similar to Bitcoin miners, nodes need to have large computational resources to calculate the matrix. For example, installing a powerful dedicated video card GPU. To train a neural network, generic algorithm is used during the pre-training period and using the method of backpropagation of error to find the minimum of the objective function. So some features here, guys. Algorithm of network training. Each node forms its own dataset training sample from the blockchain data. On this data, a layered training of the generic algorithm occurs. Every next layer is learned the previous one, training on the principle of an autoencoder. Choosing the best network. The nodes form a test dataset prior to the formation of a new block cycle. After the formation of the test sample, the matrices are checked. The matrix with the smallest error wins and gets loaded into the next error. The node of the winning matrix receives Velas VLX from the network by solving blockchain network maintenance tasks, network versions, rollout schedule, token swap, coin payments. Coin Velas will be done via coin payments platform on the 4th of July 2019 and will mark the day of Velas independence from original token. This will also launch the first stage described in the technical paper, Stage 1 Pre-Alpha. creation of the blockchain system structure, coins, transactions on 4 nodes. They do have a news section on their website here, guys. Their latest article, AI and the blockchain, 3 companies exploring the industries. I am going to go over 2 articles closer to the end of the video, guys. One of them on newsbtc.com, huge media outlet, and the other one on Blockonomy. As you know, those are my 2 favorite news outlets for cryptocurrency, in which Velas has been featured. You can see their block explorer right here, guys, very transparent on their website. So we can see all the blocks, the transactions, all on this page, their roadmap. So stage 1 pre-alpha token swap, that was July 4th, 2019. July 2019 was a private sale. Largest multi-sig wallet for the crypto community in August of 2019. August 2019 exchange listings. That's coming up soon, guys. August 2019, again, desktop and mobile wallets. Stage 2 alpha AI deployment, Q4 of 2019. 2020 Q1 hardware wallet. Stage 3 beta decentralized AI and full open source, 2020 of Q1. Launch of Mind.ai mainnet on Velas, 2020 Q2, and 2020 Q3 stage 4 production. As for their team and advisors, guys, all of their information is on their website. As I previously mentioned, Mr. Alex Alexandrov is the founder and CEO. All of their LinkedIn profiles are on the website here. Just a little more about their CEO, guys. He's a board member of Blockchain Society Canada, a cryptocurrency educator, a cybersecurity advisor for public sector institutions. Alex is also a public speaker for the last 5 years. Check out the rest of their team whenever you get the chance, guys. All of the information is on their website, as I mentioned. Moving on, guys, as I wanted to mention the article on newsbtc.com, scalability is key. Blockchain platforms that are pushing on-chain scalability forward. The article goes on to explain Velas's team has developed a unique consensus algorithm called AI Operated Delegated Proof of Stake. However, AI stands for artificial intuition and not intelligence. It differs from artificial intelligence by learning about networks' behavior and functions similarly to human consciousness. When narrowing it down to the blockchain, it means that robotics calculate which blocks are permitted to join the blockchain as well as their size and timing, among other things. Therefore, the AI layer creates a network where all transactions are optimized. As a result, their speed is accelerated. According to the developers, Velas capability levels go beyond 30,000 TPS. However, that number was produced from internal tests and hence has yet to be verified by a third-party auditor. They wrap it up by saying, notably, the use of AI seems to mark a brand new approach to crypto's performance dilemma. The next article I wanted to showcase for you guys was on Blockonomy. What is Velas VLX? Secure, interoperable, and extremely scalable blockchain. The capabilities of blockchain technology appear to be getting stronger and stronger. While the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum are still limited to a capacity of just 7 and 15 transactions per second, respectively, a number of alternative networks are now in the tens of thousands. They give the example of Velas, who claims to have the capacity to process, again, 30,000 TPS without giving away the security or decentralization. With that being said, they dove deeper into Velas. They go on to explain the concept, which I went over at the beginning of the video, guys, followed by showing the Velas intro, and then they explain how the Velas blockchain actually works. They conclude the article by explaining it could be argued that the blockchain arena has since become somewhat oversaturated. There is a lot to like about Velas. While still very early in its days, its unique consensus mechanism, artificial intuition, delegated proof of stake, has the potential to solve the ongoing conundrum of scaling a blockchain network to significant heights without compromising on security and decentralization. In doing so, the Velas blockchain aims to achieve 30,000 TPS while at the same time keeping the network free from threats of malicious activity. They also like the innovative measures that the project has taken in the development of the Velas wallet. Not only will the wallet allow users to store non-native cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and EOS, but through its SCHNORR signatures integration, the technology ensures that joint wallet owners are required to each sign the transaction before it is executed. After a first look at Velas, guys, I gotta say it looks like a great project. This one is very innovative and gonna be having some strong developments in the cryptocurrency space. I encourage you guys to follow up with this project and keep your eye on it. Just to recap, how exactly does Velas work? Its artificial intuition is a theoretical capacity of an artificial software to function similarly to human consciousness, specifically in the capacity of human consciousness known as intuition. In the case of Velas, each node in the blockchain forms its own data set, training sample from the blockchain data. On this data, a layered training of the generic algorithm occurs. every next layer in learning the previous one, training on the principle of an autoencoder. After the pre-training, the backpropagation method is applied to tighten the weights to a minimum. The network must be trained before the next block cycle. Verification of transactions is executed through staking, holding the coins on the affiliated network. The staking of Velas VLX token builds a trusted network of validators that will process and forge a block of transactions to the chain. In essence, it is the amount of Velas VLX staked that brings consensus to the current state of the blockchain. Participants will be provided with easy-to-use wallet software to stake coins. Validators are compensated by collecting network fees over a period of time in exchange for staking. The larger the position staked, the more Velas VLX that is assigned. Additional software option will be available for those participants who have a dedicated GPU in order to spin up neural network and get rewarded for their contribution training of the AI. To put it short, Velas AI algorithm acts not only as a more efficient mechanism for block producing and transacting, but it also behaves as a reputation manager for stakers on the Velas blockchain. 3 types of nodes, guys: master nodes, advisors, typical nodes. As for the VLX token itself, it's used as a fuel for the network to power smart contracts, used for transaction fee on Velas wallet, which is a 25% discount, used for transactions overall, and it is used as a trading fee payment method over at coinpayments.net with a 25% discount, which again, their CEO was the founder of in 2013. Touching again on the key features, it's AIDPOS, the blocks on demand, multi-wallet technology, SCHNORR signatures, and its partnerships, Coin Payments and Mind AI. Its competitors, the infrastructure, EOS, Ethereum, Tron, Neo, Cardano, Tezos. Shout out to all my students, guys. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the HODL Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, guys. Please drop a comment expressing your opinion. Please remember, we are an impartial channel, so whether it is negative or positive, we would be pleased to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.